Hello dear students, good afternoon. Again I am here, your maths teacher for online classes of Gokuldas Public School. Okay, and what we are doing? First take out your books and notebooks fast. Take out your books and notebook. Take out your books and notebooks. And open page number 89. Page number 89. We are doing revision time questions. Question 1, question 2 already we have done. Today we are going to do question number 3. Okay, so first of all of you open your books and open your notebooks. And in book open page number 89. Fast. Page number 89. 89. Question 1 is of add on the number line. Question 2 subtract on the number line. Question 3 draw the beads on the abacus and add and draw the beads on the abacus and subtract. And I have given you some homework questions also. So I hope all of you have done the homework. Okay. Have you done your homework? Done? Very good. Sorry. Now start solving with me. Okay. The next question is solve. Some questions of addition is given and 2 questions of subtraction is given. Okay. So write fast. Write the question. Question 3. Question 3. Solve. Solve. So, first I am writing all the 4 questions on the board and then we will solve it. Write solve. Solve. So 4 questions are there. So I am writing all the 4 questions on the board first. A, B, C and D. First question is 24 plus 35. You also first copy all the question. 24 plus 35. Second question is 54 plus 23. Next question is of subtraction. 56 minus 32. And the last question D. 97 minus 45. So you also first copy all the questions. All the questions A, B, C and D. Copy all the questions fast from the board, or if you want to copy the question from the book, you can copy the question from the book also. So write fast. Write fast. Okay. Now first we will solve A. So here what is the sign? Are you see which sign is it? Which sign is it? It is sign of addition. It is the sign of addition. And plus. So always we start solving question from its ones place digit. So first identify the ones place numbers. So one place numbers are 4 and 5. Ones place digit is 4 and 5. So add 4 and 5. So take out 4 fingers. Now take 5 more fingers. Now add all the fingers. 5 plus 4. How many fingers? 8. So write here 8. No. Then how many fingers? 9. Very good. So 4 plus 5 is 9. So write here 9. 9. Now count the remaining digits, that is at the tens place. So digit at tens place is, tens place digit is 2 and 3. Tens place digit is 2 and 3. So first take out 2 fingers. 2 fingers in your hand. Taken. Now take out 3 more fingers. Now add all the fingers. How many total fingers? 5. Very good. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So 24. How do we read the question? 24 plus 35 is 59. Now the next question. Copy it fast. Copy it fast, then we will solve the next question. Written? Now the next question. Next question, again identify the sign. This is the sign of addition. Plus sign. Again we have to add the two numbers. So start adding. First add the numbers given at ones place. So ones place digit is 4 and 3. 4 and 3. So 4 plus 3 is 4, 5, 6, 7. So write here 7. Now add the digit at tens place. So tens place digit is 5 and 2. So take out 5 fingers. Taken. Now take out 2 more fingers. Now add all the fingers. 5, 6, 7. Again 7. So answer of 54 plus 23 is 77. Write fast. Write fast. Now the next question. C. Now identify the symbol, the sign. What is the sign here? The sign of subtraction. Okay. So first we will subtract the digits that is given at ones place. So ones place digit is 6 and 2. So 6 minus 2 is, take out 6 fingers. 5 and 6. I have taken my 6 fingers. Now how many fingers you have to close? 2 fingers. So close 2 fingers. 1 and 2. Now count the remaining fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now subtract the digits given at tens place. Now you have to subtract the digit given at tens place. So take out 5 fingers. I have taken my 5 fingers. Now how many fingers you have to close? 3 fingers. So close 3 fingers. 1, 2 and 3. Now count the remaining fingers. How many finger remains? 1 and 2. So write here 2. So 56 minus 32 is 24. Write it fast. Now the last question. 97 minus 45. 97 minus 45. So first subtract the digit at tens place. Subtract the digit at ones place. So the ones place digit is 7 and 5. So first take out 7 fingers. Take out 7 fingers. Very good. Now you have to close 5 fingers. So close 5 fingers. Yes. Now count the remaining fingers. How many fingers remains? Only 2. So write here 2. Now you have to subtract the digit at tens place. So digit is 9 minus 4. So first take out 9 fingers. Take out 9 fingers. Yes. Now close 4 fingers. Close 4 fingers. Now count the remaining fingers. How many fingers remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So 97 minus 45 is 52. Copy it fast. Copy fast from the board all the questions and copy correct from the board. Write fast. Now I am going to give you some questions to solve and you have to solve it. Okay. So have you written all this? Have you copied all the question? Okay. Now write the next question. Okay, now write E and these 4 questions you have to solve it. Okay, write 65 plus 23. 65 plus 23. Write F. Write F. Write F. 74 plus 24. 74 plus 24. Now the next question. G. 86 minus 45. And the last question, H. The last question, write T for tens, O for ones. Okay? On the top of the numbers, write T for tens and O for ones. I have not written 86 minus 45. Now the last question, write minus 23. 78 minus 23. So these are the 4 questions. 2 question is of addition and 2 question is of subtraction. So do it fast. Do it fast. I know all of you very nicely now able to solve the questions of addition and subtraction. So fast. This is 7. Write fast. This is also 7. First read the number. First add and subtract from ones place and then tens place. Do it fast, then I will solve it and you check the answers. Okay, now check your answers. I am writing the answer on the board. Check your answers. So the first question is 65 plus 23. 65 plus 23. So 5 plus 3 is 8 and 6 plus 2 is also 8. So answer of 65 plus 23 is 88. Now check the second question. Second question is 74 plus 24. Now 4 plus 4 is 8 and 7 plus 2 is 9. So 74 plus 24 is 98. 74 plus 24 is 98. Have you done it correct? सही किया आपने? Very good. Now check the next question. 86 minus 45. 6 minus 5 is 1 and 8 minus 4 is 4. So 86 minus 45 is 41. Check your answer. Your answer is also 41. Very good. Now the last question. Question is 78 minus 23. 78 minus 23. So 8 minus 3 is 5 and 7 minus 2 is 5. So the answer of 78 minus 23 is 55. Note it down fast. Those who have not done, check your answers fast. Okay. Now revision time is completed. So today we are going to write table of 7. Okay. Table of 7. So take out new page. Take out new page. Take out new page and write table of 7. Okay, not visible. Again I am writing table of 7. Now it is visible? Yes. Table of 7. Okay. Write with me and repeat after me. Okay. You have to repeat after me also and you have to write with me also. So start writing. 7 ones are 7. Say, all of you say 2 times. 7 ones are 7. Now 7 twos are 14. Again say 7 twos are 14. Next 7 threes are 21. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 nines are 63 and last 7 tens are 70. 7 tens are 70. Again repeat after me. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, and last 7 10s are 70. Okay, again you have to write one more time as a homework table of 7. Okay, here you have written on the same page. If you have space, so write here again table of 7, and you have to learn also. Okay, you have to learn and write table of 7 again. Once again you have to write here table of 7, and you have to learn also. Okay, so have a good day. Bye students.